This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Hanlie Barbaran. Sought after ranch home in desirable location. This house features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with additional flex room that could be used as an office/media room or 4th bedroom. Beautiful kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite counters and gas range. Neighborhood features an outdoor pool, cabana and sidewalks. Active community and amazing neighbors makes this the perfect neighborhood for anyone to enjoy. Plenty of shopping and dining nearby. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.